Today we are going to talk about how to make your content Google friendly, SEO friendly, and how to format the content in a way so the people can be engaged with your content. It's not only about SEO, it's all about the content that you are going to publish, especially a text-based article where you want people to be engaged with your content because you have something to read about on a particular topic. So let's talk about this. First of all, let's see an example where there's a page that is not properly formatted, or you can say it just contains text. So I can say it's an example of a page that no one is going to like this page. Like for example, if you just see it has some different paragraphs but without any proper formatting, right? So this kind of page is not going to be considered as a well written or well formatted content. Because what happens, because these days people are actually not spending enough time to read the entire article. They want to make sure that the content that they are reading is highly scannable, means they can just concentrate on the topic of their interest. So there are different areas we need to consider while formatting our content. First of all, the paragraph headings, subheadings, and small paragraphs. Let's say I have a couple of examples here. Let's say in this example that I've taken from a Sprout Social, you can see they came up with a proper heading, social media tips for any platform, and then they created some subheadings as well, you see. And then even they created some bulleted points in order to tell you like they are going to talk about these 4 points in this article. Another thing that you may consider is using some image captions. So whenever you are inserting an image in your article, make sure that it comes up with a proper caption so the people can understand what is the context of this picture here. Another thing that you may consider, as I already explained, like bullet points. For example, you can see in this article that bullet points or numbered listing will help you to format your content, as well as the table based content. Like you can see here, they are trying to show almost 3 columns and 4 rows, and they are properly formatted with the help of tables. Even you may consider bolding your text wherever necessary. You can see like they want to, whenever you want people to focus on the bolded content, so you can just read the main points alongside the headings as well. So bolded content is one of the main things as well. Whenever you want people to concentrate on some of your areas, you can also bold them. You may also consider adding some related links. For example, whenever you feel like you need to connect people with another page of your website, another article that you already have in your blog, you may consider coming up with some links. Like you may consider having some recommended readings as well to engage people further. Another thing that can be done is to add multimedia. Like I'm talking about the adding or embedding videos or some kind of PDF documents to engage people further. For example, let's say this article contains a video. So if somebody starts playing this video, they might spend 2 minutes, 3 minutes more on your website. That is a good indicator towards search engine optimization success as well. Also, there's another example where I have embedded one of the documents that has been embedded into my website. So if somebody is willing to read this, they can actually spend more time on your website while reading someone else's content as well. But make sure that you have the permission to do so. Okay, so make sure that you are doing this proper stuff. And also make sure that you're having some related posts. So if somebody has completed reading your article, they have read the article, now what's next? You may send them to some other article in the same context, and you can also link them to the other relevant articles. So in this example, I have connected them with the help of a plugin called contextual related post plugins. So this also connects people to another article on the similar context on my website. So hope that helps. Thank you so much.